Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about engine dullness. So for every Royal Enfield owner, they're going to experience engine dullness. So what is engine dullness? When you compare this thing to this thing, so this one is a lot more shinier than this one. So in order to keep it shine, we use a technique called buffing. So this buffing is a hectic work for every Royal Enfield owner. So not only this, so these two. To remove dullness, people use traditional approach where they used to buff with a cloth for an hour or two, it depends. Trust me, it's a really painful process, and after that your hands are going to pain a lot. So what I suggest is use a regular massager, body massager. So I'm going to explain how do you convert a regular body massager into buffing tool. To convert a regular body massager into buffing tool, you need to require a flat surface cup which has been available with this massager. So take out this flat massager means cup and stick a double-sided tape. And let me explain you what the top thing is. So there are some products available in Amazon if you do want to purchase. This comes with a velcro with a buffing tool. So here is the velcro and here is the buffing. So this cap is going to be available with these buffing tools. I have removed one layer above this. So this is that layer. So it comes with one part of the velcro. In this, these buffing tools can be attached, as you can see. And if you want to remove this thing, you can use a knife or you can apply pressure if you want to remove. So once you remove this cap, this layer, you can attach to this cap using a double-sided tape. If you can see, I have attached a double-sided tape on it. It can withstand the pressure also in case if I rotate. It's not been rotating at all. And on the top of it you can attach these velcros to buff. So once it's been done, you can simply attach it like this. Switch on the power. So along with this buffing tool, you're going to get a soft feather kind of thing which we can use for finishing it all. So finally this is the end product that you're going to see. So let's buff. Before applying a metal polish, just give a scrub. In general, these engines have been accumulated with dirt or dust. So these things cannot be removed by a regular metal paste. Well, I use 1200 grit for scrubbing along with water. By using this technique, we can remove the dust on top of the engine, leaving with no sign of scratches. After scrubbing is done, make sure that there is no sign of water left on the engine. So clean it up with a piece of cloth. Now apply the paste and gently rub on the engine. After applying the paste, do leave it for 5 minutes in order to dry out. Don't buff the engine immediately after applying the paste. Now we will buff the engine with this machine. Now check out the shine now. When compare this I don't know if it records or not, whether you people can see it or not. I can see the difference between this thing and this thing.